We're going camping today. It's really cold. We wake up this morning, there was snow on the ground, but we're still going. Let's see. Gonna have to try again with this fire here. It's raining and those kids are hungry, so just don't touch it because yeah, it's hot. Oh, and by the way, it's May 16th and there was snow on the ground this morning. Lots of firewood because it's going to be cold tonight. First thing you're going to do is a fire because these kids are starving. So this is a provincial park. There's a fire regulation, so we can only make a fire inside the fire pits here. That's alright. Right, Gustavo?
Yeah, and we have this.
Yeah, we have lots of that, huh?
Yeah.
What is that?
Not this.
In English? Firewood.
Firewood. Igual aí do boys que tem esse, né?
Yeah.
Ai, deixe! You break it?
Trying to break it. So, because of the park rules, you're not allowed to bring any wood here. You have to use the wood that is already here in the park. All this is wet and was left on the ground like that. There's a trick I like to use when you need to make a fire with wet wood. I'm gonna show Gustavo and you. See how this is all kind of wet?
Yeah.
See? There's a trick to make a fire. You got a log like this one? Then you're gonna part in 4 parts like this, and you're gonna get the center out of it because this is dry. See? See that? This part is pretty dry. See? I can put this over there. But we need lots. So let's make more.
But there's a table right here.
Hey Gustavo, come check this. There is a kind of a pressure when you have your wife and kids with you here. So gonna have to try again with this fire here. Let's try again. Daddy made fire. Gustavo, do you want to check this, buddy? No? I'm gonna leave this firewood here around the fire pit so it can dry properly. Are you guys hungry? So later tonight you're gonna have some hamburgers, but now me and my wife are gonna just eat some grilled cheese. This pickle here is delicious.
Ela caiu. Não é pra jogar no chão. Tira a mão.
It is pretty good. I could eat like 3 more, but you gotta save some bread for tonight. That little guy has 2 colors on his face. I'm gonna get Gustavo and I'm gonna go fishing there later today. There is a hatchery somewhere over there, and at some point the trout escaped to the lake, and now there's lots of trouts here. Turn the boat, Camila, turn it!
Okay.
Faster, faster! Good job. You wanna jump? Oh,
Oh my.
push it!
Push.
Push! Be careful, buddy. Okay, let me help you. Hold on. Push it! Push it! There you go. Don't stop now. Go. So apparently, there's something in the water in the park. You gotta boil it for at least 1 minute, according to the park officers. So we're boiling this. Then you're gonna make some shimahon.
Solta, Camila.
Solta. Não, coloca dentro e não vai entrar. Aqui, tá? E tirar.
Gustavo.
Shimahon.
Tô achando engraçado.
This is a beverage from the south of Brazil.
É água.
It is bitter, but it's pretty good. First thing I saw when I opened the tent, a tick.
Mira. Puxa isso. Tô puxando, tô puxando. Tô puxando.
Has some butter here.
Pai, eu gosto desse maionese.
Like butter?
Eu gosto. Eu muito gosto.
Some burgers now, Gustavo?
Yes. But
Like burgers.
I want to cook. Can I cook him?
Yeah, you're gonna help me, right? Just don't touch it, cause yeah, it's hot.
That's so hot.
Wow, it's on the fire. It is hot, right? Did you hurt yourself? Did you burn yourself? No?
Nope.
No? Okay, good.
Just a little bit slice.
Yeah, right?
Just a little bit slice.
Yeah, you're fine.
Yes.
Oh, it's raining.
Pai, deixa lá, tá?
Oh, yeah. Look at this smell. It smells good. What are you doing there, buddy?
It was in the water and cold it.
What are you doing?
It
You're
was
making
the
some
water.
mud?
We gotta have some water.
Yeah. Gotta wait for the water to accumulate there. Yeah, do it. Good job. Have some burgers here. And the girls are in the truck. The girls are in the truck.
Why?
Well, I don't think they like rain. Do you like rain?
Yeah.
Huh?
Because he can plant.
Because you can play?
No, because he can plant everything.
Oh yeah, you can plant. Yeah, that's right. I like rain too, buddy. You know, we only have 4 burgers. One for me, one for my wife, and one for each one of the kids. But they're not gonna eat all that, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna eat mine, half of Gustavo's burger, half of Camila's, and maybe even half of my wife's burgers. Some butter for the breads. Oh yeah. Mm. Yeah.
Tomato.
You want a tomato?
Huh.
Take it.
Huh?
Take it. Good job.
Pita?
Pode pegar.
Mãe, eu tô te banho. Tá. Aqui.
Okay. You want a pickle? Oh boy. No, that's a burger. Mm. Is it good, Gustavo? Yeah? Oh yeah. She doesn't want to appear in at the camera, but this is all for her and the kids. I gotta take my hat off for her, because boy, she does a lot for me. All the things she's accepting just in order for us to be all here in the rain. But you know, look at that. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I miss. All I'm doing here, it's all for this. It does not get much better than this, guys.
Daddy,
What's up, buddy?
see the mud?
Oh, I see the mud.
I need to wash my hands.
Okay, so just be careful with the tap. Okay, go wash your hands. Kids are finally sleeping. It was a great day. My wife and I are exhausted. So we're gonna just get into the tent and try to get some sleep. Hopefully it's not gonna be as cold as last time. And see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Say good morning, Gustavo.
Good morning.
It's raining and those kids are hungry, so I'm gonna get them some pancakes today.
It's gonna be hot water.
I'm gonna make some tapioca pancakes. I'm gonna break the eggs right here.
And now for you.
Hmm?
Five. Multi.
What did you guys find there? Oh, you guys found breakfast.
Ah,
Is that our breakfast?
Huh?
Is that our breakfast?
no.
No?
No, this is for fishing.
Oh, this is for what?
Fishing.
That's it, buddy. It is for fishing. It's good bait. It's called bait.
Wow,
Wow, that's a big one, huh? Juicy.
It's juicy.
No, it's juicy for the fish.
Woo! Woo! Wow! Wow!
Go get them.
Where? And Nika. And she down. My.
Not too bad. Not too bad.
Mom.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Their plate.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah. You gonna put in a plate, Gustavo?
Yep.
There. That's for
My
you.
butt. Come.
Good? Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, Gustavo. Is it good? Good. I'm gonna make more, okay? Let's make some for mommy. Get away from the smoke, buddy. Too much smoke?
Huh?
Too much smoke?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, guys, it was very fun, but it's time to pack and go home. Did you have fun?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
You want to come again?
Yep.
Me too.